Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can play Lethal Company with more than 4 people. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Thunderstore. Now click on the second website that says Thunderstore Mods Manager and then select Get App. After that, your download will get started. Once the download is completed, launch the setup and install the Mods Manager by following the on-screen instructions. Now open the app and you will see this type of interface. Simply click on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Lethal Company. Select the game and create a new profile. After selecting the new profile, navigate to the mods section and download this pinned mod at the top. Then go to the most downloaded mods sort and download the first one in the list. Now search for Bigger Lobby and download this one. If you go to the mods section, you will have about 3 mods. Now click on the modded button at top right corner of your screen and the mods will be launched. That's how you can play Lethal Company with more than 4 people. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.